Welcome back to Daytime Live, and this is the Nishayen segment. At her face. No, we are now more glued to our phone screens, our TV screens, and computer screens due to COVID-19. Now, Daytime Live has introduced you to some non-digital games that the family can play during this time. We've gone through like a whole myriad of games so far. We'll play ABC Fast or Slow, Conundrum, Hangman, charades, Pictionary, but today we're going to play Mad Libs. Now, Mad Libs is very simple. It's a word replacement game. Now, what you do, you get a paragraph, and inside the paragraph, you have spaces. So instead of a blank space, what you do is a blank space, you should replace it with a noun or a verb or an adjective, but it tells you exactly what should go in the space. So, for instance, I would say, Nisha Yen's hair is adjective. And then you put an adjective there. So, we both have... So, I'm going to read this to Nisha Yen, and she's going to tell me what should go in the spaces, and then I'm going to read the entire paragraph with the words that she has put in, and we're going to see if it makes sense or fun. I want to go first.
I want to know exclamation, like what's exclamation?
You want to know exclamation?
It's like exclamation. I'm like, you write the word exclamation, go.
If you are traveling in, what's that?
You just say it. You just ask me the noun.
Oh,
verb.
That's it. Okay.
Yeah.
How to cross a river of crocodiles. That's how it starts. Good. Jamaican parish.
Kingston and St. Andrew.
Kingston.
No.
No, you said Kingston and St. Andrew. All right, good.
I was going to go COVID-free Hanover.
Adverb.
Anyway.
Adverb.
Adverb.
Mm-hmm.
Adverb. Adverb.
An adverb is a word used to describe a verb. And a verb is a doing word. So run is a verb. An adverb will be run quickly.
Running quickly.
So how do you do it? So adverb, quickly. You put quickly here, okay?
Mr. Run quickly.
Me now help you again. Adjective.
Beautiful.
All right.
Me. Joke. Go on.
Animal.
I was going to say something rude. Snake.
No, you have to say snake.
Snake.
All right, no, don't do it again. Don't say snake.
I'm sorry. Snake.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry.
Verb ending with ing.
Cursing.
Cursing.
I'm trying to think.
Any verb.
It's
a verb.
Walking. No.
Yes,
no.
a verb.
No. Let's go with
walk.
skiing.
Skiing.
Ski. Yeah.
Ski. Adverb.
Yes. Slow.
Slowly. Adjective.
Can't think of any words. There's no words in my head.
An adjective. Describe. You're describing something.
But I don't have any words. Give me a word.
You have tall, short.
Soft. No, hard.
I never said before and after.
Hard, man, hard.
Oh, hey. I know the quarantine is just lifted.
The word.
Small town in Kingston.
Small town?
In Kingston.
Spanish town.
In Kingston.
Oh, in Kingston. In Kingston. A small town in Kingston. I don't know a small town in Kingston. Gordon Town.
Gordon Town is not in...
What is in Kingston then?
Give me
one.
Mago work with it.
Denham Town.
Type of liquid. Not that one.
Wine? How do you know what I was going to say?
Me not know about, me know whatever your mind.
It's been a long quarantine. Food. Wine. Joke. Aki.
All right, verb.
Good act. I'm joking. Swimming.
Swim. Okay. All right.
Oh, dancing.
Quickly.
Go your turn. No, you go.
I must read this?
Yeah,
Okay.
you go. Because I think it might be.
If you are traveling in Kingston and St. Andrew and find yourself having to cross a river with crocodiles, this is how you do it quickly. Crocodiles are more beautiful during the day, so cross the river at night. Avoid areas with snake traps. Crocodiles may be cursing there, looking to ski them. When crossing the river, swim slowly.
That's true.
You don't want to wake them up and make them hard. If you have an open wound, try to find another way to get back to Gordon Town. Crocodiles are attracted to fresh wine.
That's right.
And will most likely take a bite out of your ackee if you swim in the water. Started well, ended well.
It's all you